In this video, we'll explore the best index funds for long-term investment, funds that are low-cost, diversified, and built to weather market volatility. These are ideal for retirement accounts, college savings, or simply growing wealth without the daily stress of stock picking. 1. Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund, VT-SAX or VTI. If you want exposure to the entire U.S. stock market, this fund delivers. It includes thousands of companies, from small startups to major corporations. Whether you choose the mutual fund version, VT-SAX, or the ETF version, VTI, you're getting access to nearly the entire U.S. economy in one low-fee investment. It's ideal for investors who want simplicity, growth, and automatic diversification. 2. Vanguard S&P 500 Index Fund, VFIAX or VU. This fund tracks the S&P 500, the 500 largest companies in the United States. It's a long-term favorite for its consistent performance and stability. With companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Johnson & Johnson in its portfolio, it reflects the strength of the U.S. corporate sector. If you're looking for a proven performer, VFIAX or its ETF equivalent VU is a classic choice. 3. Fidelity Zero Total Market Index Fund, FZROX. Fidelity's FZROX is perfect for cost-conscious investors. It offers total market exposure with zero expense ratio. That means more of your money stays invested and compounds over time. It's a great option for beginners who want long-term growth without fees eating into returns. 4. Schwab U.S. Broad Market Index Fund, SWTSX. Charles Schwab's SWTSX is another excellent total market fund with a low minimum investment and expense ratio. It's great for investors using Schwab's platform and offers broad exposure to the U.S. stock market at minimal cost. Think of it as a reliable, all-weather investment vehicle. 5. Vanguard Total International Stock Index Fund, VTIAX or VXUS. Long-term investors shouldn't ignore the global economy. This fund offers exposure to companies in developed and emerging markets outside the U.S. from Europe to Asia to Latin America. VTIAX or its ETF version VXUS helps diversify your portfolio across borders, lowering the risk of being tied to just one economy. 6. Vanguard Growth Index Fund, VIGAX or VUG. For those seeking higher returns and willing to accept more volatility, this fund focuses on U.S. growth stocks. Think of tech innovators and high-revenue companies. It's perfect for long-term investors who believe in innovation and want to lean into sectors with strong potential. 7. Vanguard Dividend Appreciation Index Fund, VDADX or VIG. Looking for passive income and long-term value? This fund includes companies with a consistent track record of increasing dividends. Over time, these businesses tend to be stable, well-managed, and investor-friendly. It's a great option if you want your portfolio to generate reliable income alongside capital growth. Why index funds work for long-term investors? They're simple. They're consistent. And they're cost-effective. Index funds don't try to beat the market, they're the market. Over decades, this strategy has outperformed the majority of actively managed funds. Less trading, lower fees, and broad diversification means you can build wealth quietly, steadily, and confidently. Investing doesn't have to be complicated. Choose solid index funds, invest consistently, reinvest your dividends, and let compound growth do the rest.